Kumlei Shibuni Pibaro, Kiba Jupe, Iki video, Nakatek tutor in Meghalaya, Balapanyay dak SCST. Mga Miss Amor Namanat, Hakanika video, ngin peteng beng yaki exercise, badai na exercise 1.1, mentapar ngin pe ya kajinggili ka pakhatway. Kajinggili ka pakhatway ka ungkumno. Show that the relation R in the set A of points in a plane given by R is equal to P, Q such that distance of the point P from the origin is the same as the distance of the point Q from the origin is an equivalence relation. Further, show that the set of all points related to a point P does not equal to 0, 0 is a circle passing through P with origin as center. Kemudian ni kajinggeli kila ayangi kumno kila ayangi set A. What is a set A? Kila ayangi set of points in a plane. Kila ayangi kumno ka set kila ayangi yakani ka set A kepada set of points in a plane. Nangta kila define kumno ka relation P, Q. Distance of the point P from the origin is the same as the distance of the point Q from the origin. Kamu kumno ladang kadon yaw origin hang nesbo origin jong yu dewe point O. Kamu ladang origin jong yu dewe point O. Kamu distance jong P. OP. But OQ kilong kumno kilong kumju. Kamu kane ketika relation kaba kila define ni. Kamu ladang idon yaw distance. Ladang idon ye ki points they have a same distance ngin yo ya ka circle lah. Kamu hang ni kila aingi yaw point O ki ang kumno yaw ni point distance of the point P from the origin way origin jong hang ni udi point O is the same as the distance of point Q from the origin. Kamu hang ni not O kamu distance of P but ka distance jong Q kidai kumju naka origin. Tekum tangala mentok relation R is equal to P, Q such that naman ngiti ba kilong kumju OP is equal to OQ where O is the origin. Kamu mentangin happen iba kanika relation P, Q nyaban sim yo point P but point Q from where? Na nyaban sim yo point P but point Q nyaban sim ki set of all points in the plane. Ngiti ba kanika board jongi kadike ka plane up. Kamu hang ding nyaban sim yo point P but yo point Q ngalaban sim 1, 2 kumta. Lani 1, 1. Handi kyo ang ingi kumno OP is equal to OQ where O is the origin. Kamu handi ladang asim yo point P ude 1 o point Q ro ude ban long kumno ude ban long 1. Kamu wangan yo kumju. Kamu OP sibo dangadon handi 0, 1 handi ro ngandan kan no 0, 1. Kamu ladang adon ye kisi point OP, OQ where O is the origin. Kamu handi ngalaban ong makan ni kadeka equivalence relation. Mentah nadan hawan pen iya ke equivalence relation hawan pen iya ke reflexive, symmetric but transitive. Reflexive kamu kumno bau tu point uyade kumju bat yaladi. Kamu ladang asim ya point P, point P ude ban relate but no ude ban relate but yaladi kata kamu ude ban relate but point P. Mentah ngin thok kumno let P belongs to A. We tahu A set of all points on the plane. Cuba ladang asim. Hang ne let P belongs to A. Ni haban sim ya mending ang point origin na undi P belongs away P belongs to a point in a plane kadeka plane mentapat nga ong ba undi Q nagajing keliru kila ong kuno Q is equal to P mentang ada ngapo hajaka jong P nga tho putting Q is equal to P in 1 question 1 ki ai kumno OP is equal to OQ where O is the origin. Kamu dah handi nak bantok ba? Namar OP but OQ kiram kumju tinggal bantok kumno OP is equal to OQ. Hajing syak tadi kumno OP is equal to OQ. Handi ngala ong ba Q is equal to P. Kamu dah hajak kajong Q ngantok dawai hajak kajong Q ngantok daw P. Kamu OP is equal to OP. Kamu dah handi kamu kumno P, P belongs where? P, P belongs to relation. Which for all P. Kamu hangni ngilai iba P, P belongs where? It belongs to the relation. Te kamu ngilai yo bakannya kadeke reflexive naman yo ang bawat is reflexive. Lada uta u number uya de bat yala de ngilaban ang makede reflexive. Hangni rong iba u point P, P belongs to R. Kamu kadeke reflexive relation. Mentapan in P yala symmetric. Symmetric relation ngi haban sim kat na tadi point R tadi point. Mentapat ladang sim reflexive. OP is equal to OQ. Ngitip lupa kila ayu lupa ini akan definition trong reflection. OP is equal to OQ. Ladang OP baru OQ kaya long kumjuk kamot OQ is equal to what? OQ is equal to OP. Ya? Ladang adon UR is equal to R. Ladang athok sini R sin la is equal to la sin R. Nala ban thok ru la sin R is equal to ano? R sin la. Kamot kumjuk hi am yo ki an sahang ni nang ni ngan yo 6. Shan ni ngan yo 6. Nang ni ngan yo 6, shan ni ngan yo 6. Kamot OP is equal to OQ, kamot OQ is equal to OP, which implies that Q, P belongs to the relation. Kamot hang ni laban thok kum no ngishim yo point P but yo point Q hey ngishim yo point P but yo point Q ubade dak a sets of all planes such that hakan ni kila ay rupa ini nak definition of reflection such that P, Q belongs to a relation. Kamot kum no ki ong ingi kan relation kila define ni OP is equal to OQ. Mentapat ngiti bau OP is equal to OQ ngalaban thok kum no OQ is which it will implies that what? It will implies that OQ is equal to OP. By what ngalaban thok kum no Q, P belongs to relation. Hence R is symmetric. Mentapat ngan pe ke transitive. Transitive ngaban sim kan no teligi point ngaban sim lai teligi point. Kasim yo point U di origin ngadan yo point P, yo point Q, baru point U, point S. Kini baru lai teli kini ban long kum no kini ban dei iju I distance. Dementa kini baru lai teli point P, point Q, baru point S ki belongs to you set of all points on the plane. Nang ta ngalaban thok kum no P, Q belongs where? It belongs to the relation. Nang ta hang ding ngalaban thok Q, S belongs where? It belongs to the relation. Dementa OP, Q belongs to the relation ngalaban thok OP is equal to OQ. Nang tahang ni OQ is equal to OS. Mengapa hipet ba? OP is equal to OQ. OQ is equal to OS. Kamot uni OQ long kumju OS. Kamot haja ke jong OQ ngalaban thok dawai OS. Kamot OP is equal to OS. Kamot hang ni ngalaban thok kumno P, S also belongs where? Belongs to relation. Kamot it implies that what? Nakini atli it implies that OP but OS it belongs where? It belongs to relation. Kamot ka distance jong point OP but point OQ kilong kum no kilong kumju. Tigila ban thok kum no transitive. Let P, Q, S belongs to E such that PQ belongs to relation, QS belongs to a relation. Kenal bahasa transitive ni haban sim lai sin R sin, kamu lai teligi point, you ang lupa ba P but Q belongs to relation, Q but S belongs to relation, it will imply that what? P, S belongs to relation. Kalau mentang haban pen I kumnung haban pen I ba P, S belongs to relation. Kalau mentang by what? Ngila tiba, ngila ang dia P but Q belongs to relation. Lada kila belongs to relation ki define ngi kumnung ya relation P, Q such that OP such that OP equal to OQ lane QO is in the same distance. Kamot hang dia laban thok PO is equal to OQ. Nang ta hang dia laban thok and OQ is equal to OS. Teman tong OQ hajaka jong OQ ngan thok daw ke ngan thok daw OS. It implies that PO is equal to what? Is equal to OS. Teman tong I ba uno point PO but point OS they have what? They have the same distance. Tengah pelada kita ki same distance ngalaban thok kum no P, S belongs where? They belongs to the relation. Kamot hence R is transitive. Tang ding ilayu iba ngiyok baru hang ni ngilayu iba ngiyok baru alai teli. Ngi iba kadai ka reflexive distance OP is equal to what? OP ngiti ba line. Lada nga ong yo de line di centimeter OP di centimeter. Kamu ladang ngadroya uwi pat ulan bangala ay kateng OP hi bangan sim nang tenan deng utur udisan centimeter kamu baru arti kiayu kilong kumju they have the same distance up nang ta for symmetric ladang sim ya line OQ but ulan yu OP ngala ong lupa haka symmetric pat ngisim kumno OP but OQ ladang ong pang OP is equal to OQ ladang sim ya OP san centimeter kamu OQ ru ude ban long kumno san centimeter kamu hang ni ngila ban ong ba OQ ru uday ba equal what way OP kamot kani symmetric. Nang ta transitive ngap chim kanu teligi point lai teligi point. P Q baru S. Ngila ong baru P baru Q kiram kumju same distance. That is OP is equal to OQ. Nang ta ngila ong ru baru Q baru S same distance. Kamot OQ baru OS ru kini kan no same distance. Tela ada kini same distance. Ngala aban penkut bau. But uni third line ro P O baru OS kilom kumno kilom same distance. By one ngalaban penkut bau P, S belongs to R, kemudian dikadeke transitive relation. Tekan dikadeke ka equivalence relation kumbaki pan ngi da kacingli. Re benta pat ngin pe ya ka benta ka ba R ki ong i kumno. Benta pat ngin pe ya ka benta ba R jong gni kacingli. Benta ba R ki ong kumno. Further, show that the sets of all points related to a point P does not equal to 0, 0 is a circle passing through P with origin as a center. Kamot mentangin hapit ba, kila aingi kumno. Now, given point P does not equal to 0, 0. Kamot kila ai lupa aingi ba, undi point P. Point P undi point yu, undi point 0, 0. P is not what? P does not equal to 0, 0. Kamot P undi yu, origin nang ta. Nyahaban siya may yu, yaw point. Let Q be any point of A related to P. Ngila siya na to bani ba, but Q kira ngayu, P but Q kilang related. Mani ngila pek nang ni ba, Q ang kumno, P but Q, OP and OQ, where O is the origin. Kamu OP is equal to OQ. Kamu OP but OQ, they are what? They have the same distance. Mantap yang kan siya point Q. Be any point of the set A related to P. Kamu mentah ada ngashimi o point P hang ne, ngalaban shimi o point Q hang ne. Kamu kini o point P but o point Q ki relate kumno baki they are the same distance. Kamu lada o P, une o point P lada ngishimi o origin o badai 1 cm, o point Q now origin ure balong kumno 1 cm. Mentah by one ngila tip lupa kumno na ki equation 1 ngila tip lupa ba o Q baru o P kiram kumju. For all points Q belongs to A related to P. Nama kila ong iki hakajing kindi Q ang kumno ba o Q is related to P. Tagapot hang ni ro ngla asin ba uni o Q ude ban belong sa A kila ai ni ba o Q ude ban de naka set of all points on the plane. Kapot hang di ngla asin o Q ba ude set of all points on the plane. Now ta ulong kumno ulong related to P. Menta OQ kila oi kumno OQ naman la si bang ni OQ is equal to OP. Kamot OQ is related to what? Is related to point what? Is related to point P. To point U. To point OP. Tingin laban ong equal to K. Kamot ka jing jingai. OQ but OP kilong kumno. OQ is equal to OP la ngilaban thok K. Kamot lada OQ ude 1 cm, OP ude ban long kat no 1 cm. Kamot they are what? The same distance from the origin. Kamot benta by definition of a circle, all points Q of the set A related to a given point P of A lie on the circle with center as the origin. Kamot hang di ngilaban penkut ba by definition of a circle. Definition of a circle ke angkom no ba ngila pan draw ya ka circle. Lada kita ki distance, ki radius jang ki point from the center, they are what? Equidistance. Kamu lada ngadut ya untuk center hang ni o, lada nang ni udah 5 cm, nang ni udah 5 cm, 5 cm, lada ngajoin lagi kini baro. Nginyo ya ka circle. Kamu gicingili ki kwa ingi kum no? Further show that the set of all points related to a point P does not equal to 0, 0 is a circle passing through P with origin as the center. Kamot hang ni ngihaban pen i kum no, ngihaban pen i ngila pen i ba, kini o point OQ pat point OQ. Hang ni ngila pen i ba, mende ngila om ba kum no kecing ki ongingi, ba Q is related to P. Te hang ni ngila asim ba nama Q is related to P by definition of relation ngila asim ba OQ but OP kilong related. Ngila ban thok ba OQ is equal to OP is equal to K. Kamot Q de distance ne de unit bakat no ki jingai nak e origin. Kamot kide ban long kumju tengila ban penkut ba ka definition of what? By definition of a circle, all points of Q of the set of all points on a plane is related to point P of a set of all points on the plane is a circle with a center to the origin. Namar baling ang pakadika circle passing through the origin. Namar ni happen to the origin. Namar hangni kila ay lupayin about P. That's not equal to what? That's not equal to 0, 0. Kapag point P is not an origin. Hindi point P ulang related but point Q with the same distance from the origin. Hangning la poi siya bakod jong kanda jingkili ka bakhatway mun haka way pat ka video ngin pe yaki way pat ki jingkili badai na kende ke exercise 1.1 kublish pun yu phibaro.